In this video, I'm going to show you how to import Roblox model into Blender in a very simple way. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Roblox Studio and load any game or project where your model is located. And once your project is open, just find the model or object that you want to import into Blender. So let's say I want to import this particular model into Blender. So I'll just click on it, and once I click on it, and make sure the Explorer tab is visible. Just click on the Explorer tab just like so, and your Explorer panel will be visible. And once you click on it, your character will be highlighted. So just right click on it and just choose to save and export. Now from here, make sure to export it as an OBJ file. So just click on export at OBJ and just give your file a name like guide and hit enter. And once that you have done that, just open the Blender. And once the Blender is open, just go to the file and just go to import. And when you hover over import, select the option labeled as wavefront.obj. So just click on it and navigate to the folder where you downloaded your file. In my case, it's going to be this, and I saved it as guide.obj. So I'll just click on it and click on import wavefront obj. And once I click on that, my model will be successfully imported. And once that you have imported, if you don't see it yet, just rotate and find your character just like so. And now, while the character is selected, just press G to grab and grab it to your position and just adjust the position to your liking. And once that you have done that, if you don't see any shading, just go to the material preview at the top. And now you can see we have successfully imported our file from Roblox Studio into Blender. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.